इसी साल फ्रांस में वर्ल्ड स्किल्स पर बहुत बड़ा आयोजन हुआ और इसमें भारत ने बहुत सारे अवार्ड अपने नाम किए हैं। ये हम सब के लिए गर्व का विषय है।
It was a great moment for India as we not only made NAMTEC proud but also put India's name on the global skill map. It was an honor for me to be part of this prestigious moment. The WorldSkills Competition is the gold standard of skills excellence. In our first ever year, NAMTEC's engineer Drumil and Satyajit made India proud by winning a bronze medal. The vision of NAMTEC is to make world skill standard students. So in NAMTEC, we have a very high-tech, state-of-art lab facilities like cyber physical system. We have industrial robotics. We have hydraulic, pneumatic systems. It is very fortunate for our students, faculties, or the fraternity of this ecosystem that they are having access of this kind of equipment and which allow us to compete in Industry 4.0 in world skills. We were practicing here up to 5 a.m. in the morning. We were doing this for almost 3 months. As a mentor, we can just guide them, but they have to perform over there and they did it. That is the reason we won. The next WorldSkills competition is in 2026 in China, and NAMTEC will be participating again to showcase our students' skills in the space of smart manufacturing. And I am sure we will once again make India proud. You can be part of this historic occasion too. In WorldSkills, we say, where there is a skills, there is a way. And in India, we say, skills से जीतेंगे दुनिया.